Good morning, everyone. So I'm here at the clubhouse and drinking coffee. I have updates on you for you, and let me just go here and have a seat in the karaoke room. My update is since we are a small team at Passport Turtle and we don't have enough what they call this networks. We're gonna focus in our country, which is the Philippines, and then move on to the next one. So we're gonna solve the global coffee crisis one country at a time because it's more practical, it's more feasible, and it's more attainable. Okay, so our country is not that big, but it's not that small too. So we have a lot of grounds to cover from north to south, and we will be handling and talking to a lot of groups from these regions. Okay, so of course we're gonna have to deal with smallholder farmers, and then we have to also talk to the cooperatives, NGOs, and those who will be involved in this campaign and program. But we will document here on social media our progress report as well as our challenges. We will show to you the pains and struggles of the smallholder farmers and what can we do to improve it. Okay, because at the end of the day, what we need is more coffee beans. So if there are not enough coffee beans, then we have a problem. So we have to find a solution for that. Some are quick solutions, some are medium solution, and some are long-term solution. But either way, we will combine all these three solutions to give results, not just for the smallholder farmers, but to us also, the consumers and the coffee lovers. Okay? So yes, since I'm based here in the Philippines, we're gonna focus first here in the Philippines because Philippines is also a coffee producing country, and we'll give feedbacks on our updates for our project here in the Philippines. Okay? More to follow tomorrow.